Hello and welcome back. So I kind of knew that I wasn't going to be able to do videos during the Christmas period and a little bit after as well, which is a bit of a shame. As I said, like, this is still within the trial for the next couple of days, so hopefully both with the combination of having a few backup parts and just having to make time, I'll be able to do a video once a day. But I guess we should run through what we've done here. So I'm starting to put everything together now. We can start doing some details. So started working on the fins a lot, the tendrils. So actually this middle one is actually the longest, which is cool, and we can probably give it some shape. All of this is starting to look good around the head. The back's looking good. We've got the fins on the arms. We're not going to do the shoulder ones because it's just too much, and we've already got like a shoulder pad happening here anyway. So the basic position of the scales is looking good. All of these are fitting in nice as well. So the only part that I'm kind of questioning is this part here, which looks alright. I might do a proper chest and then take this part out and then make it its own thing as well. And then it's just a matter of putting the teeth in and then making them asymmetrical so that they're not all perfect. So it's not a problem. So yeah, it's looking good. So I think for now I'm just going to work on the fins here. So I've just been using our inflate brush to mark up. I just turn this poly skin material off and just go back to what I was actually working in, which was this one. No, wait, yeah, no, this one. No, oh man, which one was it? Oh, it was yep, cool. So just with the lighter color, it's a little easier to see. I mean, I could work in any color, but sometimes doing some details is easier to do. Like, I just find it easier to do in this color. So I might just redo those when the time comes. We're just making sure, because I was doing all of these and I got all the way through and that wasn't doing it symmetrically. But that's alright. So we won't worry about where this pattern is, because we'll fix it up later. Okay, that looks like they're too small, so I'm gonna make those a bit bigger. and we might make them a bit. We might make them a bit more loopier as well. That's probably better. So just like this. So I got back a few days ago. Wait, when was it? It would have been yesterday. And did a bit, but there was some things to do around the house yesterday. So I haven't had too much time to play around with the model, but today's been pretty constructive. So I think what we might do is just try and match these up a little bit. That. We'll give this one just a little bit of a curve as well. Which means we'll probably just redo that. Nice. So we'll actually put some cuts in there as well when we need to, but they're all looking about the same size, which is good. So we'll leave it there. So hopefully you had a good Christmas, and again, what are we today? So we are Friday, so we'll definitely be doing a video tomorrow and Sunday. I'll have to do that in the morning, so that'll be fine, and then we're into it. We're into January, so fingers crossed I can get it done, but we'll see. I just have to put in a little more effort, but unfortunately December, with being sick and not Christmas as well, hasn't helped, so yeah. Anyway, I'll leave it there, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Alright, cheers guys.